Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is produced step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Here in the conche, the cocoa mass is blended with precise amounts of sugar and milk powder. These ratios determine the final chocolate type.
The viscosity is stabilizing now.
Yes, the adjustment worked perfectly. We have ideal consistency across the board.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
We need to ensure the flow rate on line 3 is consistent.
Already on it, the adjustment is complete.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is produced. Christian X and from start to finish.